This is REALME Narzo 50, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to begin with, you will need to download and install the free third-party application that is called Caffeine. So it's a very lightweight app, so you will not need a lot of time for it to get installed. The app size is actually right under 7 megabytes. So then launch it, make sure that the timeout section was set to the infinite value, and as long as you do not close the Caffeine application and it stays active and running in the background, your screen will not go to sleep at all. Alrighty, so that will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.